We are on our way to Tower Bridge. So guys, it's Tuesday today. Oh, oh, it's Monday. Sorry, it's Monday today, and we're walking to Tower Bridge with my mom, my brother, my daughter, and my sister. Say hi. Yeah. I'm document jud te. Yay. Yay. It's not every day. There we go. Here is Tower Bridge. Bitaw. Di man, okay raman. Okay na, wala siya kuan. Wala siya problema. Sino bitaw? Di ba di kategori ma? Di kategori? Kami magpermi may-ari. Masoroy. Maglaag. Laag po. Mao jud.